I've been using this cookware set from Gourmetific for a year now, so here's my honest opinion on whether it's worth it. I feel like cookware is one of those things where every brand claims theirs is life-changing. But there's actually a few things about this set that genuinely made a difference for me. So first, there's the detachable handles. Since I can remove the handles, the whole set stacks easily on one shelf. I can stack everything really easily instead of having bulky pans taking over my cabinet. And the stove to oven thing is honestly really convenient too. I use that constantly. One of the reasons that I got this ceramic set in the first place is because I wanted a healthier nonstick option. The ceramic nonstick is made without PFAS or PFOA, so you won't have toxins releasing into your food. If I have leftovers, I literally put the lid on and store the pan right in the fridge, so I'm not dirtying extra containers either. Given all the features, you'd think this set would cost way more than it does. It's also really non-stick. Cleanup is super quick and I use less oil when I cook. Not to mention the color is beautiful and you can get a bundle that has everything you need. So is this set worth it? I'd say yes.